A quick disclaimer before we get into the video. As you can see, we are not sponsored. But hi, how are you today? I have to say I'm quite good. As you can see, I'm going through my Flow Paper Lovers magazine. Yeah, these are stickers. There's a lot. Also, I love these. These are like picturesque things. I first thought they were stickers, but I'm pretty sure they're just like prints. And I love the like the one with the airplane windows the most. Now these are just papers, probably just craft papers. And then these are like weird shape of envelope, some cards, some more paper that we will go over later. All like writing supplies. Okay, I know this video is going a bit maybe too fast for me to voice over, but oh, this is their usual big envelope, and I mean it's a big one. And then it's some art and a like pocket, but I will show you the goodies that I took out a little bit later, more in depth. You have some writing paper, some stickers, more stickers, some cards that are actually quite cute. Then you have like their artsy section, which they usually have like either something you can do yourself or like something just, it's amazing. These are their, you guessed it, postcards. And don't they look adorable? Yes, they do. You have their calendar, which I'm 100% planning on using for once. Lots and lots and lots and lots of pages. And then this pretty notebook. Not sure what this is, but it looks also like to be like a calendar type of thing. Some dot stickers, some hearts, some like card tag thingies, more card tag thingies. And then you have the colored pages, which like we all know that I don't know how to use them, but I do still love them. And I'm pretty sure this is just why I got it. It's a notebook. I didn't know about this page, but I ended up taking it out. Then you have a bunch of quotes. And I mean, like, this whole theme of this paper book is like being AFK, like out of social media. Then you have this weird bike thing that I have no clue how to use. But yeah, here's a little overview. Again, the bike of which the wheels are spinning, which I might gift to someone. Postcard 1, postcard 2, postcard 3, postcard 4. And then you have these picture strips, to which this is my favorite. And then you have a little hand notebook, like a flower-esque thing. These are the papers that I did not actually show before. I'm gonna use them like I use them every year as like gift wrapping. A little envelope, the big envelope, which is huge. The door thing, which you will see me struggle right now. Yeah, it was hard. Okay, don't judge, thanks. Then the notebook that I'm gonna be actually using and I'm looking forward. And the big book. Thank you for watching. Sorry for this very short video. I'm tired, okay?